ceremonies, but insisted, and today we are here. So let me thank them, those who work with him to organize this program. And most especially, let me thank all of you who attended the program. No matter the level of preparation, if there are no people, the program will not work. So let me thank you for spending your evening here, because today is the Easter day, and most people would have loved to spend this period with their children, telling Bible stories. But to honor me, you are all here for this award. I thank you so much. And I've listened to the comments from all of you, and I can only say thank you for those good words. They are quite encouraging. Sometimes when you are doing it, that when people appreciate it, you feel good. In fact, when I got the letter, they were going to give me this honor. I never expected, because I felt that God gives us different things. Probably like in the Bible, they will talk about the talents or spiritual gifts. Probably that's how God treated me. Small sister, Dr. Blessing Ikuru, I'm said because we are from the same family. They grew up a boy, and she said it all. Even in the village, interest was not causing crisis. So I grew up in me, and it's easier to do what is in you than to learn new things. Than in a country or a world filled with crisis. I always feel sad when I see people suffering through suffering as a child because of my humble background. If I have the means, I would have made sure that every Nigerian will have, though it's not so easy, it's not possible. It's difficult for a president to do. That has been my there. And that is why I was very reluctant when I was approached to come to the center to be a vice president. I said, look, I wanted to, Bayelsa is a small state. Let me see what I can do with this small state, whether I can make significant changes. But well, came to the Senate, and here I am. I wouldn't say much, but only to thank you and to reassure you that my commitment to peace will continue. I will continue to do my little best until, like as Bola will say, until the last day I will live on earth. I believe that is the only way I can serve God, by serving man. My chaplain and the wife, I'm happy that you are here. You are always around. Whenever my things come up, I have to appreciate all of you. It's a beautiful evening, but let me assure you, I'll continue to be myself. I thank you all.